You all, so I was in Abuja days ago, and I tell you what, I never knew a place like this existed in Abuja. You want to know where? Alright, stay with me. So, welcome back to Update People TV. This time around, we are touring places in Nigeria and across Africa, places I bet people don't really know and even talk about. Hidden communities, landmarks, and everyday environments you probably never knew existed. Today, we are in Lokogoma. So Lokogoma is a fast-growing residential district in Abuja, located in the FCT along the Abuja-Lokoja Expressway. It's very close to Apo, Gudu, and the Games Village axis. Over the last few years, it has grown really fast, especially with young professionals and families moving in. From the moment you enter Lokogoma, you can feel the growth. You can see the new buildings, estates coming up almost everywhere, roads expanding, and neighborhoods forming. It feels like a place that is still becoming what it will fully be, and that's what makes it really interesting. Looking from above, everything looks structured, active, and alive, right? You can literally see development happening in real time. The streets here tell a story. You see daily movement, transport flow, local activity, and community blending with modern housing. It's calm in some areas and very busy in others. But there's a balance. Lokogoma feels different from the busy city center. It's not chaotic, but it's not quiet either. It's active, organized, and growing so fast. I can tell you something for free. The estates here are one of the biggest features of Lokogoma. You see gated communities, there are many flats, you see duplexes and new housing projects everywhere. Some are completed, some are even still under construction, but the expansion is clear. This is one of the reasons people are moving here every day, compared to areas like Maitama or Granwimpa. Lokogoma is still very much affordable, and it offers space, structure, and a growing community. And from a real estate and investment point of view, this kind of growth always means one thing: rising value. Yes, when development is this active, property prices don't stay low for long. Lokogoma is one of those places people will say, I should have invested here earlier. You know, places like this actually remind you that Abuja is bigger than the popular areas everyone talks about. There are whole communities, there are districts and neighborhoods growing quietly, building their own identity. Lokogoma is one of those places. And from above, you really see its story. This is just the beginning. We'll be exploring more streets, more estates and hidden parts of Lokogoma, Abuja, and many other places across Nigeria and, of course, Africa. So, if I were you, I'll follow Update People TV, like this video, and subscribe for more tours like this. And tell us in the comments which place in Abuja or Nigeria should we explore next.